most drinks with spirit flavorings. And on today's video, we're going to be going over a spiced banana almond smoothie for breakfast. Alright, so for this particular smoothie, the main overview of it is it's going to be a breakfast style smoothie, high protein. It's got about 460 or so calories, 40 grams of protein. So it's really good for the breakfast time. I like this specifically for like the fall type season, football type weather. It's getting colder, you want something kind of mellow, a little bit warming, some spices. This would be a good smoothie for you. Main things that it's going to be going over is flavor wise, you're going to get banana, you're going to get some nice almonds to kind of also go with that as a background flavor. A little bit of the Irish whiskey is going to bring some of the vanilla notes out, some caramel notes, and then obviously the maple to sweeten it up a bit. So to start off with, we'll be doing 3/4 of a cup of almond milk. So this is our base liquid. We always try and put the liquids first. There we go. Next we're going to be doing, I'll go ahead and just do the shamrock. So this is the Irish whiskey flavoring. I really like this one specifically for like anything with maple or bananas. I think the vanilla caramel notes, kind of the mellowness, kind of goes really good with those. So I just take about 1 milliliter, drop that in. Okay, and that's going to give us just kind of these undertones of Irish whiskey. If you want to go to 1.5 milliliters, you can do that too. That's just going to make it much, much more pronounced. Next, we're going to be putting in our maple. This is just going to be 1 teaspoon. If you have to, you can also just use it on a spoon. Probably about maybe a little over half a spoon. So 1 teaspoon of a good maple syrup. Okay. So once again, maple, really mellow, good flavor. It's not going to pop with a lot of, pizzazz, but I definitely like it with banana. It goes really good. So next we're going to be doing a couple tablespoons of almonds. So almonds are going to provide a little bit of nutty background. They're also going to provide a little bit of creaminess, a little bit of protein, not actually as much as you think, a little bit of good healthy fats. And I just get the sliced ones, diamonds, these will do. Pop those in there. For me, I really like almonds just as a flavoring. It goes really good with banana. It goes really good with nutmeg as well. So 2 tablespoons of that, and it goes. Next, we are going to put in Greek yogurt, which is a ½ cup. Usually on this, you can just take a spoon. I just do about 3 spoons full. So 1, 2, and 3. Don't have to be too precise, especially on the Greek yogurt. So after that, we can go ahead and add in our 1 banana. So 1 banana. These are frozen. It's going to make it a little bit more. If you freeze your bananas, it's going to be a lot more creamy. It's going to be a nice kind of frozen texture. So I just cut these up in 4ths. Boom, 1 banana. Banana's going to also give mellow sweetness, and it's going to give you some other good nutrition for fruit. Not the highest nutrition, but nothing too bad there. Next is basically a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. If you get the ones like this, I just like to kind of say like a couple of 1, 2, 3. There you go. 2 or 3 of those is really all you need. The nutmeg, 1 scoop protein powder. So the nutmeg's going to give you that warming spice. Once again, really good for the fall season. Big fan of it. 1 full scoop. There we go. And then last but not least, we're going to be adding in 4 ice cubes. So for ice, you can add in as much as you want. I'll do about 4 ice cubes here, depending on how frothy you really want it. But could be 3, could be 2. Just depends on how much iciness you want. All right, so with that, let's go ahead. Okay, Okay, so blend for about 30 to 45 seconds or until it starts coming into the middle, pretty consistently getting all of that in. As you can see, no chunks, pretty smooth. And let's go ahead and pour and give a taste test. Perfect. Okay, so as you can see, it makes a pretty good amount. A little bit left over, so pretty kind of medium size for a morning. So if you can see that there, that's what it looks like. Nice, creamy, kind of off-white. Smelling it, yeah, I mean, you get a little bit of banana, pretty mellow. Perfect. Okay, so very creamy, good texture on it. There's nothing kind of substance-wise that's different. It all kind of meshes in. You get that mellow banana. Maple's not too much. You get the Irish whiskey coming through though, which has got kind of caramel vanilla. It's got a very specific taste to it. With the banana, it's just lovely. If you want, you could use a little bit more nutmeg. I don't really get the warming notes of the nutmeg too much, but I do get the banana. Almonds, pretty mellow. Okay. Honestly, that tastes a lot like a very chilled banana milkshake. Maybe that's part of the vanilla from the scoop of protein powder, but the texture is very much like a milkshake. The banana is not as pronounced, but you definitely get that it's a banana flavor. And the maple, in and out, you don't really get a whole lot of it. It does up the sweetness just a bit, but pretty mellow. Almonds, yes and no, pretty muted. I would say the biggest things I'm getting is banana. With the Irish whiskey is definitely gonna come on the top, especially at the end. Like I said, it's a little more of a lighter body type whiskey, caramel, vanilla, a little bit of oak coming through. Third. Yeah, honestly, it's a very, very mellow style drink. Reminds me a lot of a banana milkshake with a little bit of Irish whiskey. Nothing more I can say about that. Overall though, really, really good. Definitely recommend for the fall season. I actually think you could probably do this even in like the summertime. It's a very kind of mellow style drink. It's like a freaking milkshake, only you're getting your protein and you're getting some other good nutrition with it. If you like this episode, go ahead and comment down below what your thoughts are on this spiced banana nut smoothie, and let me know what you think. Let me know if there's other types of smoothies and other type of drinks you want on the show. And with that, I salute.